Yo guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video I want to show you how to install WordPress on cPanel. Yes, WordPress on cPanel. A lot of you guys actually have been asking this question on my comment, and I want to show you how to do this today. Right guys, let's write on together. Now, to install WordPress you need a domain name and a hosting, right? You already know that, right? Okay, so I'm using Namecheap domain and Namecheap hosting. As you can see, this is Namecheap. So I'm using Namecheap domain and Namecheap hosting for my tutorial, right? So I'm already logged into my cPanel. I believe you should know how to log into your cPanel, right? This is a shared hosting. So you should know how to log into your cPanel. Now, from your cPanel, you scroll downward. Now, you scroll downward till you look for scripts option, which is under the Subtaculous app installer. Now, you see WordPress here, or if you're using the updated cPanel version, if your hosting has the updated cPanel version, just look on the left side, you see WordPress Manager by Softaculous. So you can either click here or you click here. Now, once you click on it, it's going to take you to WordPress installer. Yes, WordPress installer, where you can install WordPress. So you click on install now. Yes, as you click on install now, it will bring you to an installation page just like this. So what you want to do now is to give your website a name. So I could say this is SMS more. Call your website an address, SMS more. Oh, sorry, describe your website. Yeah, so I could say this. And the version, always stick with the updated version, guys. Always stick with the updated version. You can go to the first WordPress version and you know how that looks. So always stick with the updated version. Now, admin username, I like to call my admin, and admin password, you can call yours, whatever you want to call yours. I'm deleting this after now. So admin email, so I'm going to use info. um Language is English. Extendify here website builder, I don't need this. Login attempt plugin, I don't need this, right? I don't need any of the plugin. I will get to install my plugin myself. You get it? Yeah. So I'm going to copy this my email. I'm going to use it here. Mind you, you have to save your password, guys. You have to save your password that you have here, right? You have to save this password because this is very needed. Now, another thing is I have a website on this domain, so I want to install it on my folder, which is on this place. But for yours, you don't have to install anything here if there's nothing on your main domain, right? So once you're done, you come downward and click on install now. Ensure that everything has been set properly. Yes, go through it more than once to ensure everything has been set properly, and then you click on install, and it's going to install in 3 to 5 minutes. Right, the directory you type already is this. Please type another directory name. That means there's something in this folder as well, as you see. So I could use dir. So come back here, right, and click on install. So for yours, don't ensure that there's nothing on the main domain, right, so that you can install your WordPress from your cPanel, right? So it is actually installing. You see how fast this thing went, right? You see how fast it went, guys. You saw how fast it went, right? So the next thing you want to do is to go to your WordPress, log in your WordPress, which is WordPress admin panel. You want to see how your website look. So to see how your website look, the updated version of WordPress, you can come here and see how it looks, right? This is the updated version, a very sleek sample homepage, right? So this is your dashboard, right? You should know everything about WordPress to install WordPress. But if you don't, yeah, I have a lot of video for you, a lot of video that talk about WordPress on my channel, so you pick anyone to look around WordPress. So this is your home, update, post, which is all posts, add new posts, categories and tag. You have the media, which is your image, your videos. You have your page, about us page, contact us page, privacy policy. You also have your attend to your comments, your appearance, which is where you change your themes, your editor, your plugins. You have your users on the site. You have the tools option where you can import, export site, check site, edit plugin, edit website, and you have your main permanent part, which is the settings. Yeah, you have the settings area, right? So that is how you can install WordPress on cPanel. Yes, WordPress on cPanel. Yes. Now to delete the WordPress as well, you just have to come back here, come to WordPress. Now to delete the WordPress, if you do not need the WordPress anymore, just come here, click on this drop down, scroll downward, remove or uninstall. They are both the same thing, right? So they are both the same thing. So I'm going to click on install and remove installation, right? So it will ask me if I want to remove. Yes, I want to remove. So I showed you how to install it and I showed you how to delete it. As you can see, it has been deleted. Right. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Yes, hit the subscribe button. It is very needed. So hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it to someone that needs it. And I just showed you how to do WordPress on cPanel. And I'm your OG, right? So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you on my next tutorial. Bye for now, guys.